Hey guys! Welcome back to FoneLab Studio. Are you looking for ways to fix your iPhone stuck in recovery mode? Well, you are in the right video. You may wonder why your iPhone gets stuck in recovery mode, interfering with your user experience. There are several causes why it happens to your iPhone. It can be an unsuccessful attempt to jailbreak your iPhone, insufficient storage, or a software error. However, the most common reason occurs when trying to update your iPhone to the latest iOS version. With this, we provide 3 reliable methods to get rid of iPhone stuck in recovery mode. Let's begin with the most simple solution. Force restart your device to get out of recovery mode. With this method, you might be able to exit recovery mode. To do this, follow the guide we will show depending on your iPhone model. Meanwhile, you may get rid of iPhone stuck by using a computer. You can try this method on Mac or Windows. However, this approach will likely fix the software problem of your device, but it can also erase all the data in it. But if you have a backup, you can restore it later. Let's start to get rid of iPhone stuck via Mac. Open the Finder, then select your iPhone among the options from the sidebar. Afterward, you will see 2 options to update or restore. Choose what suits your device. On the other hand, via Windows, open iTunes, then select the iPhone icon from the upper left corner of the tool. Click the option Restore iPhone, then confirm that you want to restore and update your device. The methods mentioned above can help remove your iPhone stuck in recovery mode. However, if these don't still work, and you want to preserve your device's data, use FoneLab iOS System Recovery. This tool fixes abnormal iOS systems, including iPhones stuck in recovery mode. Also, it offers 2 repair modes to fix a broken iPhone to normal. The standard mode helps you repair abnormal iOS devices and ensure it won't wipe your data. While advanced mode lets you fix your devices, all data will be erased permanently. To get this tool, visit our page, FoneLab.com, or simply click the link in the description. Download this tool, and we will show you how to get rid of iPhone stuck in recovery mode. To begin, open the tool you've downloaded. On the Tools interface, you will see 4 tools for iOS issues. Click the iOS System Recovery among them. And there, the lists of iPhone issues this tool can fix will appear. With that, click the Start button, and then connect your iPhone on your computer. Once done, the tool will scan your device and choose between the 2 modes. After you choose, hit the Confirm button. Follow the instructions in the interface to proceed. Afterward, you will see different versions and firmware for your iOS device. Choose one suitable for your device, and click Next to download it. Please wait for it to be downloaded. After that, the tool will repair your system. Take note: do not disconnect your iPhone while repairing, or it will be bricked or damaged. It is troublesome when the update of your iPhone fails to complete and remains stuck in recovery mode. Fortunately, there are reliable ways to get rid of iPhone stuck in recovery mode. However, we recommend FoneLab iOS System Recovery to safely fix the iPhone stuck without losing any data on your device. So what are you waiting for? Get it now. We hope this helps you. For more videos, visit our channel FoneLab. And please don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the following video. Thanks for watching.